Hey guys, so what you're going to want to do to find my new channel is, well, it's not a new channel, my alt account, because this is my normal channel, but like my alt account is, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to the search bar. It's search awesome Autumn Aussie, like this. It's gonna look exactly like this. Hit search, and my video is the first one that comes up, but that is not my actual channel, like the Autumn Aussie. So keep scrolling until you see the profile picture. Looking and looking. Sorry. If you keep scrolling, you might find it eventually. This is taking a while. So many people with chickens. And there it is, Autumn Aussie, right there. This is mine. And then, so when you find this, this is the alt account, Autumn Aussie, view channel. Yep, this is me.